Assalamualaikum, this is Conan Heather. So let I'm in front of you. So let's now I'm going to tell about what's a carbohydrate. So let's now we discuss about what's a carbohydrate. Actually, the carbohydrate is a source of energy in which it's need for our body. In which just like means and if we are walking, if we are eating, if we are going anywhere, because means the carbohydrate is a main source. It's a main source for our body. If it's we have, then we can do something. Just like means let's now we discuss about and it's a classified of a carbohydrate. And let first we discuss about and what's the formula of carbohydrate. So let's now we discuss. So let's now I write the formula of carbohydrate on blackboard. So let you see, and this is formula and C and H2N. C means a carbon and H2 means a water. So just like you can see, N means a number. Just like means if we write a 1 in N side, just like and if we write an N here and you can see H2O, it means it's a basic. And this is used for a monosaccharide, and this is used for formula of monosaccharide. So let's now be classified and what is a classified of a carbohydrate. And the carbohydrate is a main classified let first, and one is a monosaccharide, and second is a disaccharide, and third is a polysaccharide. So what's a monosaccharide? And this is a formula of it's basically used for a monosaccharide. So just like mentioned, the monosaccharide in which it's includes of a glucose, fructose, and galactose. This is a main source for a monosaccharide. This formula is used. This formula is used CH2O. CH2O. This is just only used for monosaccharide. Monosaccharide. There you can see, and there you can see means now we discuss and fructose, and second is a glucose, and third is a galactose. And because man in this and in this types and we use the same formula CH2O. This is a main source for a monosaccharide. And let's now we discuss about and what is a disaccharide. Disaccharide means it's a multiple. It's a multiple of a glucose, multiple of a fructose, multiple of a galactose. It means it's a more than of a two. Two means a disaccharide. Just like if we write two, just like and we make a two bond of H2O2. This is a two bond in which we can say it's like of fructose. And when two glucose are attached with each other, this is formula is in which it's used for fructose and just like saccharose. Saccharose is a table sugar in which we use in our daily life. It's a table sugar in which you can see, and this formula and we use for a glucose and a fructose. It's make of a saccharose. Let's now I teach just like a disaccharide. You can see it's the second part. It's the first part and it's the second part of disaccharide. So let's we discuss about what's a disaccharide. Disaccharides mean you can see here saccharose. Saccharose, it's a table sugar, just like means we use it in our daily life, and this is a saccharose. So we use one thing, another what thing of a maltose. Maltose is also used, and third is saccharose, and maltose, and one thing is another, but I have forgotten about that name of lactose. So I have got it, lactose. This is a three main thing which we use for a disaccharide. And what is the polysaccharide? The polysaccharide in which we use for polysaccharides, where we use starch, and cellulose. And these are because means one thing is that means the carbohydrates. So some of people says that man this is a sweeter sugar, and the all carbohydrate are not a sweeter. So we can say means some of carbohydrate can be a like of a salt, some of because and all sugars, all type of carbohydrates are not a sweeter sugar. And so and I think you have got it. What's a carbohydrate? Let's I repeat it again. You can see, man, in which here we also use a starch as a use for a polysaccharide, and we use a starch and cellulose, just like, man, say a polysaccharide. You can see polysaccharides, and this is also types of a carbohydrate, and it's classified when we classified to a polysaccharide and a cellulose and cellulose and starch. Cellulose and starch is used here, just like, and also lactogen or etc. So because means it means that means if you have a more than a 10 glucose or a 10 fructose, so we can get starch or a cellulose. And basically starch we found from potatoes or etc, in which starch is also important for our life, and it's also in form of a sugar. But some of, because mean the starch are not a sweeter sugar, it's can be a like of a salty sugar. And cellulose, in which it's found in a plant of a cellulose, just like man say there are sugars just like you can see a can in which we you drink a juice of a can, because mean their a sweeter can due to their content of cellulose sugar, saccharose is introduced in cellulose. That's why the juice of a can is sweeter. So if you have any question and if you have any query, you can ask me by comment. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.